Here's the Jet King I installed in my coworker's office down the hall. She wanted a fan in her office, so I got permission to put this up. Might be doing one more later in the office for our office assistant manager at the front, and she might want one, but I haven't decided what to put there yet. So far, just the homestead and this are in the office. I posted a homestead video a while back. And this is the Jet King. I got this from Christian Chandler on Ceiling Fan Facebook. This is a Dynasty, has a Dynasty pull chain that came with it. Made in Taiwan, stack motor. It's a pretty nice fan. I installed this aftermarket spotlight kit to it. Thought it looked nice. And she wanted some light in here. So it's a nice fan. Lady and the co-worker, she likes it. She enjoys the 80s decor. So I think this is early 90s though, but still. Cut this light off. Get a better look at the fan. Okay, let's do speeds. Start with high. Let's start with low. Medium. And here is high speed. Let's do a spin down time. Will they spin down? Let's see, a reverse. She likes to run it on reverse. She'll do that in the, well, she will, hadn't been done yet, but she will in the winter time. This is just low. I'm just gonna do low. No other reverse but low. It's a little reverse. Yeah. Not a big fan of reverse. I'm leaving it on medium because that's the speed she likes. Basically, since I put it up last week, it runs on medium all the time when there's someone in the office. And then when no one's here, of course, we cut the light off. And here's a fluorescent light that's been up here forever, probably since the 1970s. That's here in the office. They're all over the building, and they're all beginning to fail. In fact, the other one was in good shape, but the one right outside the office, the ballasts are failing, and they get water or humidity intrusion. Anyway, they won't turn on all the time. So anyway, there's the fan, and thank you for watching.